Think a DUI is just an expensive ticket? Think again. In Tennessee, you're looking at over $10,000 in total costs, plus jail time, license suspension, and consequences that follow you for years. But here's what most people don't know. There are 3 critical mistakes people make in the first 24 hours that destroy their case. Today, I'll show you exactly how to protect your rights, your wallet, and your future when facing DUI charges. Quick disclaimer. While I know my legal stuff inside and out, I'm just a very smart goat, not a licensed attorney. What happens after those flashing blue lights? You're facing a cascade of consequences most people never see coming. Minimum 48 hours in jail for a first offense, license suspension that can last 1 to 8 years depending on your case, and insurance premiums that can double or triple for the next 3 to 5 years. This isn't just about one bad night, it's about the next several years of your life. Here are the numbers that can change everything. 0.08% is Tennessee's legal limit, but here's the kicker. 0.25% triggers aggravated DUI with much harsher penalties. But even if you're below 0.08%, you can still be charged if officers believe you're impaired. These aren't just numbers on a screen. They're the difference between going home and spending days in jail. Let's talk about the immediate financial hit. Before your case even goes to court, you're looking at bail or bond costs of $500 to $2,500, towing and impound fees of $200 to $400, and lost wages from court appearances that can easily reach $500 to $3,000 or more. And this is just the beginning. We haven't even talked about the hidden costs that will follow you for years. But the real financial nightmare isn't the upfront costs. It's the hidden expenses that follow you for years. SR22 insurance requirements can cost you $3,000 to $10,000 over 3 to 5 years. Ignition interlock devices require $300 for installation plus $70 to $100 every month. And perhaps most devastating, the career impact from lost job opportunities and missed promotions can cost you tens of thousands more. The first 24 hours after arrest are absolutely critical, and most people make devastating mistakes because they don't understand what's at stake. Should you refuse the breath test? What should you say to officers? When should you call an attorney? These decisions happen fast, but their consequences last for years. Understanding Tennessee's implied consent law and your actual rights can mean the difference between a dismissed case and a conviction. And a field sobriety test might seem straightforward, but they're highly subjective and often incorrectly administered. Medical conditions, medications, weather, even your footwear can affect your performance. Many factors beyond alcohol can lead to what officers interpret as failure. The truth is, these tests are designed for failure, and experienced attorneys know exactly how to challenge improper administration and subjective interpretations. Here's what law enforcement doesn't tell you about breathalyzers. These machines require precise calibration and proper maintenance. Many foods, medications, and medical conditions can cause false readings. Even something as simple as using mouthwash can skew results. The science isn't as bulletproof as they want you to believe, and these results can absolutely be challenged successfully in court by attorneys who understand the technology. Your license doesn't have to disappear immediately. There's a crucial difference between administrative suspension and court suspension, and you have exactly 30 days to request a hearing. Miss this deadline, and you lose important options. Many people don't realize you might qualify for a restricted license that allows you to drive to work, school, or medical appointments. But you have to act fast and know how to navigate the system. Every DUI case has potential weaknesses if you know where to look. Was the initial traffic stop legally justified? Were field sobriety tests administered correctly according to standardized procedures? Was the breathalyzer properly calibrated and maintained? These aren't just technicalities, they're your constitutional rights. Experienced DUI attorneys know exactly which questions to ask and which procedures to challenge. DUI cases don't resolve overnight. You're looking at 3 to 12 months navigating between General Sessions Court and potentially criminal or circuit court. Each court has different procedures, different judges, and different opportunities for resolution. There are key decision points where cases can be dismissed, reduced, or resolved favorably, but you need to know when and how to leverage these opportunities. Here's the real question. Is $3,500 to $10,000 in attorney fees worth it when a DUI conviction costs over $10,000 plus years of consequences? Specialized DUI attorneys know your local courts, judges, and prosecutors. They understand which cases can be won and which should be negotiated. The investment in quality representation often pays for itself by avoiding the devastating long-term costs of a conviction. Good defense attorneys win cases because police make mistakes more often than you'd think. Improper stops, botched field sobriety tests, uncalibrated breathalyzers, and violated constitutional rights create opportunities for dismissals or reduced charges. When you understand what signs indicate a winnable case and fight charges properly, the long-term benefits extend far beyond avoiding immediate penalties. You preserve your record, your career, and your future opportunities. Don't face DUI charges alone. The decisions you make now determine whether this becomes a life-changing disaster or a manageable challenge you overcome. Schedule a free strategy session with a qualified DUI attorney who can evaluate your specific case and explain your options. Come prepared with your arrest paperwork, court documents, and any questions you have. Remember, proper preparation and experienced representation can save you thousands of dollars and years of consequences. Take action now to protect your future.